What is happening, boys? We are back with another trade recap for Friday. I know this is Saturday, so we're coming out a little bit late for this video, but I still wanted to make the trade recap for you guys because I want you guys to know the difference between days that you lose, that is your fault, and check last video for that. Days that you lose that are actually your fault, and days that you lose and it's actually this bad price action for your strategy. You guys have to understand, there is no strategy that wins 100% of the time. Losses are going to happen. If you guys are starting to become profitable, you guys have to look long term. If you're losing on the day and you're upset at it, bro, you have to zoom out. Are you profitable on the week? If not, are you profitable on the month? That's what being a profitable trader is. It's consistently profitable over a long period of time. Doesn't matter about the week, doesn't matter about the day, doesn't even matter about the 2 weeks. It more matters about the month, 3 months, 6 months, right? So, what have we got going on here, right? So, I actually got the video, and I want you guys to have a look at this video, and I want to show you guys. I'm gonna quickly go like this. I'm gonna show you guys the entry here, right? So, all right. Let's get into it. So, market opens. So, pre-market, we had a push to this level right here, right? So, pre-market, we had a push, but I wasn't really going to play any pre-market first pushes just because Friday's a little bit sketchy. So, but we did have a pre-market push, and we actually opened right here, right? So, we opened here. We gave our first push to the level. US30, we also had a push to the level as well. So what are we waiting for? We are now waiting for a retrace. Let me play this. There's our retrace. Right here. So now we have a retrace. So all we are looking for is a push past this wick right here, right? We have a little bit of liquidity here, but I'm not too worried about it. I'm not too worried about it at all because it's not too much major liquidity. It's kind of just consolidating at this level. So, now, we are waiting for a push pass. I was quickly switching this to minis. Okay, here we are. You guys will see. I'm waiting for a push. Waiting for a push. It's moving too slow. So, did it push past the original spot we were at? Yes. But it was moving too slow. I want to see an actual push, right? If it's just slowly, gradually going up, that's not enough for me. So, I'm waiting. So, that right there is the push. So, I got in. Bang. We entered the trade. And as you guys can see, the momentum was there. The momentum was obviously there, as you guys can see by that push right there. Stop to break even was around this wick to this body. And we got very close to stop to break even, but we did not hit it. We were like a pip away. And then from there, it kind of just lost its momentum. And it came all the way down, as you guys can see. So, a bit of a bigger loss. We did lose 450 on that trade just because, you know, soft stop loss. Soft stop loss can save you lots of times, but not all the time. If it's going to be a losing trade, it's going to be a losing trade. So, overall, very happy with how I played it. We listened to the rules. It got to the level. We had a retrace, we had a second push, and then we entered, right? So, also, another thing I do want you guys to keep in mind. Oh, no, it didn't open that close. But if it opens really close to the level, we want to see a bigger retrace. US30, I'm pretty sure it just did fucking nothing. It did give that second push eventually, but it just fucking went down as well. So, whatever you took, it should have been a losing day. As you can see, P&L is right there. We are down 600 on the week. But, hey, last week we made how much money? We might be 600 down on the week, but we are still 1.6k up on the account. So, it doesn't... Oh, did I say 6k? I mean 600 down on the week, if I did say 6k. So, remember, if you're not profitable on the week, we're profitable on the month. So, you have to look at it like this. Otherwise, you're going to get drawn in, and you're going to feed yourself negative information, right? So, overall, very happy with how this week went. We had literally a little bit of everything break even. Well, we had break even, we had a win, we had no trade, and we had 2 losses. So, I just didn't trade on Thursday. I can't even remember why. But I didn't trade on Thursday. And I didn't trade on... Well, I took a break even, and then I took a win. So, very small win. That's probably why we took like such a loss on the account. But honestly, I do not care. I am detached. When you're detached, you can attract more. It's easy, boys. It is so easy. Like this trading stuff, it's just becoming secondhand nature. I'm so fucking. I feel so nonchalant to it, but it's not nonchalant in a negative way. It's just I really don't give a fuck if I win or lose. I just care about if I fucking followed my strategy. I don't care about the money. I don't care about none of that. When you lose attachment to those things, that's when shit starts flowing. Like me posting this video right now, I don't care if it gets 1 view or 1,000,000 views. Would it be nice if it got 1,000,000 views? 110%. But I am not gonna chase it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna post videos, and if they blow up, and if I actually put effort in and I deserve it, then it blows up. That's cool, right? But we're not fucking done. We're gonna keep on going anyways, right? So I do want to quickly show us the levels. These levels were pretty good. So these were the levels coming into today. And as you can see, after that came all the way down and it boosted all the way back up. That's really all I got to say. And really quick, follow the Discord. Discord is in link in description, as you guys can see right here. Let me pick it up. Bang, Liquidity Lounge. Feel free to join, boys. And I got a whole free course on the YouTube if you guys do want to check that out. But what I did want to talk about really quick is what Bitcoin is doing. Keep your eye. I'm telling you, boys, now. I'm going to clip this. Oh, wow. Very big workout. But keep your eye on Bitcoin. Because we are in fear. If we get to extreme fear, that will be our entry. That will be our entry. Look how I marked up this chart. I did a little rough example on how I'm looking for it to be like. We do kind of want a 20% pullback would be nice. So if it just went a little bit lower, and it got very close though. But yeah, our entry would be somewhere around here, right? Somewhere around here. It's already coming down like exactly how I thought it would. And now let's just see what it wants to do. So 20% pullback. And we also, this is free source right here. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I look at for my long-term investments, right? So first 20% pullback. That's not too crazy, but we do want to get that 20% pullback. Also, Fear and Greed Index. Now, if people think the market is going to go down, but the market is basically trading against us, then why do you think the market will follow the people's thoughts and go down? The market does opposite of what majority of people are thinking. So, we are in fear. People think it's going to fucking crash. Bro, that means it's the best place to buy. Look at this shit. Look at this. What's the lowest point it got to? Did it get to a lower point? I don't even know. No, it hasn't. Not yet. But we are very close. If it gets to 20% and we're in that fear, we're going to go. We're going to go. Look at the last time we got here. Dipped in it, went all the way to the fucking moon. Vito, my mentor, became a fucking millionaire. So, look at this. If it goes into extreme fear, massive confluence. Absolutely massive confluence. Also, just common fucking sense. If BlackRock, look at this shit. 27 minutes ago, 44 minutes ago, 6 hours ago, each one of these transactions are $32 million. And it doesn't stop there. There's pages and pages. And that's just like a fucking dollar. And pages, that's also a dollar. Don't mind those. Those are fucking random transactions. And pages, 1 day ago. Billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars taken out of Bitcoin. If BlackRock, which if you guys don't know who BlackRock is, do your research. But they basically own the world, Vanguard and BlackRock. So do your research on that. They control the markets, basically, right? So if they're taking out billions of Bitcoin, don't you think that the market won't go up right now? Like, wouldn't they want to get the best entry and then buy when we're about to fucking go up? It's just common sense, right? So if BlackRock and Vanguard are buying, well, I don't know if we can look at BlackRock. I'm sure we can. I'm sure they're into the Bitcoin. Free money, right? So if BlackRock is buying Bitcoin and we go into extreme fear and we have a 20% pullback, we need to full port our life savings because that shit's gonna go. I'm telling you now. I'm clipping the shit. I love long-term investments, bro. I love long-term investments, my bro. Alright, boys. The video's getting long. I'm going to end it here. There's the trade recap. A little bit more in depth. And a little bit of free source for you boys on the whole long-term investments. I love you all. Keep hustling. Don't fucking stop. Remember why you started in the first place. I'll see you boys in the next one. I'm going to make this video exactly 10 seconds. Share.